Hello, you're watching Channel 1, and on this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the washer jets on your Citroen C4. Here is my example. It is a Grand Picasso, and I'll just show you the issue I have next. Right, so here's the problem I got with washer jets. See the one on the left? Gives a fairly decent spray up the car. The driver's one is just spraying it all down there. I can't adjust them, so I've bought some replacements. So this is what I ordered off eBay with the seller's name there. Quite happy to recommend them. Their service was excellent. The item as it arrived in a jiffy bag, obviously, but there they are there. And this is one of the individual jets. You will notice on there, as I have arrowed here, two little tangs which seem to me what retain it into the car. So I'm going to try and just tease those out without doing any dismantling of the car itself. Washer jets are obviously located just in front of the windscreen. I have circled them here to make it easy for you to find in case you're struggling. And here we have a close-up of the driver's side washer jet. And all I do is pop a small flat bladed screwdriver down the side of it, and lo, it pops clear nice and easily. So I then do the same on the opposite side, and the whole item comes free, as you can see here. Then it's just a matter of removing the nozzle from the pipe. Be careful you don't pull the pipe too hard, because you don't want to disconnect it from wherever it is underneath this panel on the top of the car. Just hold it tight between your fingers and twist the nozzle off, which, as you can see, I have done here. And in this photo I have the new item installed, so let's take a little look at whether that's made any improvements. So now, is it any better? Ooh, that's a massive spray of water. I think I'm going to change the one on the opposite side now. That's awesome. Brilliant. So now, with them both done, okay, so positioning might need a little bit of wiggling around, but much better than it was. £6, probably 5 minutes, no problem. So there we have it, about £6 and 5-ish minutes, definitely less than 10 minutes of work with nothing more than a small flat bladed screwdriver and an hour of washer jets that put a decent amount of fluid all over the screen, rather than, as you saw initially on the driver's side, it was flowing enough fluid, just in a bad position to actually get a good spray. And I don't know if that would fail the MOT or not. I know you can fail if they're not flowing enough fluid, but for the price and for my own safety and the safety of my son while driving, I wanted to get the driver's one changed particularly. So nice and simple. If you're having problems, don't take it to a garage. This is definitely one you can tackle yourself at home. Thank you all very much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Do take care, everybody. Stay safe. Peace.